Precision. That's what we are known for. It's at the core of our work and the outcome of everything we do. It's a combination of cutting-edge technology, true craftsmanship, and proven innovation. Over a century of excellence in product design and manufacturing, and our passion for precision made us who we are today. The world's most precise rifle and ammunition manufacturing company. We are Sako, a community of like-minded people sharing knowledge, skills, and experiences. For over 100 years, we've been inspiring people to reach their targets and to enjoy their lifestyles in the way they choose. We aim to enrich their experiences by continuously developing dynamic, sustainable, and inspiring products and services, crafted with precision and purpose. We represent 100% uncompromised quality, reliable in every situation and any conditions. Precision turns our passion into masterpieces, now and tomorrow.